Hi there. We are now inside of Microsoft Edge and we are now in the settings area. If you look down near the bottom, there's an element that says AI Innovations. If you click on that link, you're going to see, depending on when you see this video, that Microsoft has a link for you to be able to explore Copilot Mode. We're going to click on the link that says Explore Copilot Mode and you will be brought to a splash screen. And you'll notice here that what you can do is click on this element to turn on Copilot Mode. Copilot Mode is the beginning stages of Microsoft Edge becoming an agentic browser. It currently has voice navigation. You can offload specific tasks. You can get quick answers, which you can also get in other browsers. And there is another home page. Handling routine tasks had been part of what was called Copilot Labs and specifically enabled for Copilot. It is now part of the Copilot element of the Edge browser. Copilot Vision is a major part of Microsoft Copilot, and you can follow other elements here in this area. So with that, we are going to turn on Copilot Mode. You will then see a splash screen and Microsoft will go through the other elements that you already know about. The next tab that you open will be Microsoft Copilot. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.